Scott, Walton on the Hill, go.
Yeah, hi Daniel. To cut a long story short, basically all my patient information from my local GP has been downloaded, and so the doctors got in touch with me and said that they've noticed that all my information has been looked up from the 14th of December till the 18th of February, and they've sacked the person. They've got in touch with the doctor police, I don't know who that is, like the CQC, and said what has happened.
Sorry, downloaded by whom, Scott? Downloaded by a member of staff?
Member of staff, so the receptionist, who
and done what with it? What did he or she do with it?
Right, so it's my son's ex-girlfriend, so it's my grandson's mum, if you understand.
Yes. Right, so your son's ex-girlfriend was the receptionist, she was being nosy and looked at your medical records.
Correct.
And she's been sacked. Okay, and you want to know... First question, Scott, was there anything in there that was more than usually sensitive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like you wouldn't believe, Daniel.
And is she talking about it? Is she spreading the word?
Yes, yeah.
Right, that's quite awkward. Plainly, it's a data breach, but it's a data breach by her outside the course of her employment.
But she was employed by
She was employed, but she wasn't employed to leak data.
No.
The chances are that you'd win this, but there are issues around whether the GP surgery would be responsible for her completely inappropriate outside the course of her employment actions. They probably will be held liable. Go ahead.
So when I noticed that she was working on the reception, I rung up the doctors and sort of aired my concerns, which made them flag it up in the first place. So that's where they noticed, it had been... So they sent me a letter saying, they've noticed that it's been looked up on several occasions from certain dates on other people's computers, other people's login details.
Yeah, and she's been spreading this information about.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Look, you've got a claim.
Never see my grandson again, basically.
Oh no! I'm so sorry, Scott.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, Scott. I've got to ask this. Then, did that information disclose that you're a potential danger to your grandson?
No way.
Okay,
no.
All right. Sorry to ask, but you understand why I had to ask.
Yeah, not that. No way, no.
All right. You've got a decent claim here against the doctor surgery. They do have the argument she was acting completely outside the course of her employment, but I think a court will want to find in your favour here. The Data Protection Act gives you the right to compensation where your personal data is leaked. And if it's cost you access to your grandson, that's quite a lot of compensation. Now, I'm not an expert in the Data Protection Act. I think what you need to do is go and seek some specific legal advice here. I rarely tell people this. I'm usually confident that I know enough about the area, but I don't with this. I think you need to go to a firm of solicitors that knows about this sort of thing. I'm going to recommend one to you.
Right, just bear with me. Let me just find a pen. It's a tricky one. Whoever I speak to, they can't believe it. But,
Have you got a pen, Scott?
Yeah, I've just got one. Sorry.
The firm of solicitors is called Cohen Davis. Cohen Davis.
H-E-N?
Cohen Davis.
Cohen. Oh.
All right.
D-A-V-I-S.
Yeah. Right, they're experts in this sort of thing. Contact them.